2022 Toyota Corolla with less than 46,000 miles on the odometer. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.